This time of year, parents are busy stocking up on all the necessary school supplies, with kids in many parts of the country already returning to the classroom. But that's just one part of being ready to go back to school. Doctors say that this is also the perfect time to go through a wellness checklist for your kids to ensure that they're healthy and ready to learn. Dr. Sarah Nosal joining us now. She is the president of the American Academy of Family Physicians. Great to see you, Dr. Nosal. I guess, how early should you be scheduling these back-to-school physical exams for your kids?
Right now is the best time. Let's get in there and think about those preventative measures we can take, like making sure we're updating our vaccines, that we're ready for all of the routine illnesses we're going to confront throughout that school year.
Were you saying also vision and hearing are two common things that maybe sometimes parents forget to look into?
Absolutely. So if you know your kid wears glasses, have we updated that prescription? And in that family doctor's office, we're going to check hearing and vision. We might discover that there is something that we need to be preparing for and get those glasses set for this school year.
Indeed. It's good to have a heads up on that. With respect to the vaccines, which ones specifically? I know we saw measles and whooping cough up on there.
So when you were coming into my office, you're going to get caught up on those routine measles, whooping cough, the stuff we're thinking about for little kids. Then in this fall, we're going to think flu if you're older than 6 months. Maybe you might be appropriate for COVID. And if your kids had a birth date, it might be time for those more grown-up, tetanus, meningitis, and the HPV cancer prevention vaccine.
I like how you frame that, the grown-up vaccines. Can you talk a little bit about sleep schedules? How much sleep, obviously it's going to be a little bit age dependent, do your kids need?
More than you think. So most middle schoolers and high schoolers are not getting an adequate amount of sleep. Preschoolers and middle schoolers up to 12 hours. Those teenagers actually need 8 to 10 hours a night.
Wow. We all aspire to the same thing.
And really for learning, we want to be there, and for our health and wellness.
Sure.
So if we're behind from the summer, if we've maybe let those bedtimes slip, it's time to start moving bedtimes earlier. Getting morning up earlier. 15 minutes a night is what I'd say. Tonight's a great night to start.
That's a great point, because I was going to ask you, there's a transition there, obviously. You would do it in increments of like 15 or 30 minutes?
It really helps if we do a little at a time. That big jump right before school starts, you will be tired and have some difficulty, the whole family.
Yes, less dramatic that way. Packing a healthy lunch for kids can sometimes be a struggle for parents as well. How do you recommend they navigate that?
It is my favorite. Get out the cookie cutters for my healthy, balanced sandwiches. We want to think proteins, whole grains, fruits and vegetables, and a healthy fat. And when kiddos participate in choosing those foods, whether it's going to the grocery store or shopping online, or even growing the foods in their garden, it makes a big difference in them making those healthy choices.
Is that sort of the cheat code, or a cheat code in all this, is to empower your kids to be able to pick some of those items so they feel like they're part of the process?
I'd say the biggest cheat code is lead by example. So when you're eating a healthy meal with your kids and you're showing them that you're representing those healthy foods, they'll make those natural choices from their own habits that they learned watching you and with you as they grow up.
Set a good example. Lastly, what about hygiene habits, which of course can play a huge role, right, in preventing kids from getting sick during the school year?
Anybody who has grade schoolers know it's a boogery time of year. We want to think washing our hands, avoiding touching our face, teach them to cough and sneeze into that elbow.
Yes.
Stay hydrated, and really, get ready, be prepared for that school year.
Is that an official adjective, boogery? Or you just come up with
I absolutely see nothing but wonderful boogery kids.
Yes, we embrace it. Dr. Sarah Nosal, thank you so much. We appreciate your time.